The idea that robots could one day replace humans in the workforce is not new. In fact, it has been a topic of discussion and debate for many years. While some people believe that robots will eventually be able to perform all of the tasks currently done by humans, others are not so sure. One of the key arguments in favor of the idea that robots will replace humans is that they are more efficient and less error-prone than their human counterparts. Because robots are not subject to the same physical and emotional limitations as humans, they can work for longer periods of time without needing breaks and can perform tasks with a high level of precision and accuracy. Additionally, robots can be programmed to do a specific job, meaning that they can be trained to do one task very well, rather than having to be versatile like a human worker. Another argument in favor of the idea that robots will replace humans is that they can perform dangerous or physically demanding tasks without putting human workers at risk. For example, robots could be used in mines or other dangerous environments, where they would be able to do the work without putting human workers in harm's way. This could potentially save lives and reduce the number of workplace accidents. On the other hand, there are also a number of arguments against the idea that robots will replace humans. One of the main arguments is that robots lack the creativity and problem-solving ability of human workers. While robots can be programmed to do specific tasks, they are not capable of adapting to new situations or coming up with creative solutions to problems in the same way that humans can. Additionally, there is the concern that if robots were to replace human workers, it could lead to widespread unemployment. Many people would be out of work, which could have negative consequences for the economy and society as a whole. It is also possible that the widespread use of robots could lead to a decrease in wages for human workers, as companies would no longer need to pay for human labor. Overall, the question of whether or not robots will replace humans is a complex one. While it is certainly possible that robots could one day perform many of the tasks currently done by humans, there are also a number of challenges and concerns that need to be addressed before this can happen. It remains to be seen what the future will hold, but it is clear that the relationship between humans and robots will continue to evolve. One important aspect of the discussion about whether or not robots will replace humans is the fact that humans are still required to build and maintain these robots. While robots may be able to perform many tasks with a high level of efficiency and accuracy, they are not capable of creating or repairing themselves. This means that human workers are still needed in order to build, maintain, and repair robots. In addition to the fact that humans are required to build and maintain robots, there are also a number of tasks that are simply not suitable for automation. For example, jobs that require a high level of creativity, empathy, or critical thinking are not easily performed by robots. These jobs are likely to remain the domain of human workers for the foreseeable future. Overall, while it is certainly possible that robots could replace humans in some tasks and industries, it is also important to recognize that humans will still be needed in order to build and maintain these robots, as well as to perform tasks that are not suitable for automation. As such, the idea that robots will completely replace humans in the workforce is unlikely to become a reality. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting content.